Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've last talked to you guys, but today I'm going to be showing you my everyday type of makeup routine, and it also kind of collabs with the cold girl type of makeup look on TikTok. This video is also sponsored by Merit, my favorite brand to work with. This is their signature lipstick. I love this stuff. I have the shade L'Avenue and it's the best, and this one is a nice brown color. This one is called 1990 and we will be using it later. And because the cold girl makeup look includes a lot of blush, I got a blush. This one is in the shade Cheeky. Such a beautiful warm color, so excited to use that. If you guys want to get yourself any Merit products, my link will be on the screen and in the description box down below. Now let's get started. Starting with a moisturized face. Mine is already moisturized, but I use the Nivea Essentials Moisturizer. This is the best stuff ever, especially for sensitive skin. And even though it is winter, we still need to do sunscreen. So I'm using the Skin 1004 sunscreen. This Korean brand reached out to me one day for a collab and I was like, oh my god, yes, okay, it looks so good. And it is. I kind of just put this all over my face at first, just disperse it and then rub it in. If you see me looking off camera, it's because I have a mirror. Now that sunscreen is out of the way, I like to start with brows just because, I don't know, for some reason that's always my starting point. I feel like once my brows are set, everything else kind of falls into place. For brows, I'm going to be using the Merit Brow Pomade. This stuff is really good and I use it a lot. Oh, that's my dog. Peaches. Shh. And then the next side. This is Peaches if you're new here. Oh, she just looked at my face. Gross. And that's how you get acne. To set the brows, I'm using this Maybelline Clear Brow Gel. It's so old and there's literally nothing left in it. Thank goodness Christmas is coming up because I hope I'm getting one. This stuff is really good though. It's like $5 or $8 at Walmart. It's pretty cheap and it does its job, just sets it. So I just make them not super wispy, but I don't know, I just brush them up into the side. After brows are done, I like to curl my lashes. This is the Shu Umera eyelash curler. It's honestly perfect for like Asian eyes, I find. It curls them perfectly. So we just hold this for a bit. Look at the difference from this eye and this eye. So good. After the lashes are curled, I then start doing eyeshadow. This is a new palette I got. My boyfriend recently got me this one for my birthday and I love it. It's from the brand Romand. I like to use this shade right here, the pink one. I think it's super natural, super cute, so I just brush it in. And then I essentially just kind of like shut my eye and just place it all over the lid. And I like to bring it down halfway, maybe like this much, I guess the whole under eye, but I like dragging it under the eye. I think it's a really nice look. I keep getting a lot of people on my YouTube shorts just because my shorts do so much better than my main channel videos. My shorts get like hundreds and thousands of views sometimes, but a lot of people always are like, you should wear more concealer, and it's just like, I don't care about under eye darkness personally. Like, I don't know, it's never affected me. I couldn't care less. It's kind of natural to me, plus I kind of like it for some reason. I don't know if that's normal or not, but the only time I use like concealer is if I have a blemish, so like a pimple or whatever, or just some scarring, but that's about it. I don't know, I've never cared to cover darkness. I like to keep my face as natural as possible. I'm then going in with this pretty glittery color right here, just a few dabs because I don't want too much glitter, and then we just kind of put it on the eye. So that keeps the eyes pretty natural. There's just like one or two colors on there. I kind of like that. And then this is my new favorite thing. I haven't showed you guys this in a YouTube video yet, just a short and TikTok, but this is the Etude Bling Bling stick, and it's essentially really good at highlighting like the yesstyle under the eye. I essentially just hold like right here on my eye and I drag the pen kind of just around here. And it works perfectly. Do you see the difference with and without? Like, this opens the eye so much more than just like without, for me personally. And then I do it again. And it's perfect. This is also a new step for me. Recently, my boyfriend also got me this new little palette. It's called Too Cool Art Class by Rodin. It's like a contour palette. I've seen it in a lot of Douyin makeup videos. Oh my god, I almost dropped it. This is what it looks like, and I just take these two shades, kind of mash them together. More so the brown. This one's a bit my skin tone. Doesn't really show up too much, but this is what I use to make like the brightness pop. I kind of just like squint and smile, and I find where this natural eye bag type of thing, the eye fat, kind of hits, and then I just outline that underneath. Not too hard, not too dramatic. Trying to keep it pretty natural, but still make it defined. Honestly, I'm still learning how to do this step better, but this is what I've come up with for now. If you have any better tips, please let me know in the description box, or please let me know in the comments. Oh my god, I can't speak anymore. So that's what we have so far. I feel like I can do this better at some point, but I still need to learn, so any help, let me know. Now you're probably like, where's the mascara? Isn't it time for mascara or lashes? I don't use either of them. I just hate mascara because I rub my eyes so much throughout the day, and with my eyes I need waterproof mascara, and waterproof mascara is just the absolute worst to get off, so personally I just go without. Honestly, I don't care. But now we're gonna do blush or highlight. Well, let's do highlight first. This product is also new. I got it from my best friend Hannah for my birthday. It is from Becca. I used to have another Becca palette, but I absolutely smashed it, and I would just constantly be pressing my finger into broken makeup, and it was the worst. So this one's completely new and I love it. I just rub my finger in a bit of it, and then I kind of just put it in the inner corner, and I think it makes such a cute little pop. And the other side, I love it. And on the nose, you can't see it too well because this camera's a bit overexposed and I'm sitting right in front of a window, but trust me, in person at the end you'll see. Alright, so for the blush, it's gonna be a lot, but not too much. I don't want to look like a clown, you know? I also have another one from Merit. It's the same one. This one's in the shade Beverly Hills, and I kind of like this one a bit more. I'm gonna try and mix them though, but so I kind of just dab my brush into it like that, and then I just push it into my face. I learned from Jessica Vu, if you put it right under like your eye bag or cover your dark circles type of thing, it also gives a very cute look. I like it more up on my face now. I think it's nice. And I like to put it just over in the nose bridge a bit because we are going for that cold type of look, or sun kiss, whatever you want to call it nowadays. And a bit underneath the nose. This look does require a lot. I'm gonna add a second blush. This one is from Rare Beauty. It's also new. All my makeup is new now. I just got so much for Christmas, but this is what it looks like. Such a gorgeous color. I'm just gonna dab our brush into that. And this is just gonna go just more on top of the other one just to make it pop a bit more. And another trick I learned is to like put it over the lip, so your lip area is a bit red. It kind of just looks like I have rosacea now, like even more rosacea than I normally have, but it's fine. I'm gonna take more highlighter and I'm just gonna put it on the cheekbones and a bit under the brow, just a bit. For lips, we are going to be using the 1990 signature lipstick from Merit. It's so gorgeous. I'm just gonna put it on. So this is what 1990 looks like on. I do want this look to be a bit more glossy though, so I'm going to take the Merit lip oil. This is in the shade Sangria. It is one of my favorite lip oils. I'm just gonna gently place it on top and spread it out. It darkens up the color a bit, but it does add that nice liquidy shine. Lastly, I'm going to set it with my NYX setting spray. I always flinch. Alright, and that is the I'm cold type of makeup look, also slash my everyday type of makeup look, just with a bit more blush. And once again, thank you so much, Merit, for sponsoring this video. My link is here on the screen and down below if you want to shop the products I used. I hope you guys have a safe and happy new year, and I will see you in 2023. Bye!